Okay, we're driving a 2002 Ford Explorer, and I've got a clunk sound, thumping, something coming from a rear tire. I'm going to be quiet so that you can hear it because I do not know where it is coming from. The bearings have already been replaced, so I know it is not a wheel bearing in the rear. I'm going to get a little faster. I don't know if you can hear that very good on this video, but it's like a do-doom, 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 do-doom every time the tire spins. The brake pads are a little thin, but there is no grinding, there is no squealing. So as far as that goes, I'm really confused unless a little piece is broken off of one of the back pieces of the actual braking mechanism. I've looked under there, it doesn't seem like anything's loose in the suspension. All of it looks good. I'm just trying to figure it out. Listen, let me slow down. I'm going to park. I don't want to be taken for a lot of money, so I'm trying to figure out what it is so that I can go into a mechanic shop and tell them exactly what it is. I do not want them to tell me that it is something it is not, because that has happened many, many times. Anyway, I don't know what this noise is. If you can help me and you know what this noise is, please put a comment below. Thank you. Any help would be greatly appreciated. Thanks.